Where are you now?
I just climbed here.
Nauna ka na? Ang bilis mo ah. Go up here on the map. On the vacuum. I keep falling. I think I changed into a smaller one. Into a cookie.
Say what? And Etta, how did you get the watermelon?
Ah, I see it. I see the watermelon. It's on top of the drawer.
Mommy, that's not even a cookie. Mommy, I
What's
help you
this?
get this one, Tiba.
Yeah, thank you. No one! I keep falling!
I think you're too
I
big.
think my favorite, the blueberry.
The blueberry.
Is my favorite.
The blueberry.
I keep falling.
Mommy,
Where are you na ba?
Mommy, help Etta to get the melon.
Okay.
Because I'm this one. That's good. Because I help you get the watermelon.
Okay.
Mommy, do it help me too?
I can't even get my own. Noah!
Mommy!
It's so slippery.
Mommy, the croissants live on the door, Tiba. I get it on the door.
Oh.
Look, see, look.
You go up na.
Now I help Ate, oh.
Maybe I should go slowly. How did you go there so easily? I keep falling.
Look. Do you see the croissant?
Yeah, you are the croissant.
Look. I live on the door. This
Is a
door.
croissant here?
Look. Behind the door. Behind the door.
Here?
Look. Do you see that? Look.
Wala. Ayun. Wow, I found a croissant.
Yeah!
Yeah!
And you can help me get the watermelon. Because I want to get the coconut. Because I
You
want
see
to
the watermelon up there?
I want to become.
I can't even go up. I think this will be
I want to become the. Mommy, pick up the croissant. I need help.
I don't have croissant.
Up. Ayun. Yeah. Shoot the ball!
Sige nga, show me. How do you go up there?
I help
Ate is not here anymore. Oh, there she is.
Yeah. Come on. Mommy, let's go this way and lay down. Mommy, just go this way and lay down. Mommy, baby, let's go this way and lay down.
They keep pushing me.
I'm gonna get the dirt.
Let's stop playing na. No, I'm gonna be late for work.
No!
We can get it later, ha? O kaya you play with ate na lang.
Oh no! I want your cell phone, mommy.
Yung green cellphone nga yung faster eh. I'm going now. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Don't push me, ah. I'm trying my best here.
Mommy, Ate is getting angry.
I know. Look. Ate is so fast. Okay. Look. Now I'm on top na.
Mommy,
I'm getting there. You think I can get the watermelon now? Okay, there's a watermelon. I see it.
Mommy, Mommy, don't jump. Just lay there because I need help.
Lay.
Look, this is the lay button. Because I want help. I need
How
help.
can I help you? I'm here. You're gonna make me your patungan. Ate can jump also. Ayun. Papatungan daw ako ni Noah. Where are you na?
I'm coming now.
Someone pushed me! Tagal mo kasi eh. Si ate, naka-jump naman si ate. She's using the caviar.
Using the caviar.
Yeah. I'm only a step away. Ate is on top of the ano. Oh, what's this? Ah!
A bean.
That's a bean. Oh, yan na. Jump na. Jump na. Ate can jump. She was a caviar before.
I cannot do this.
Just jump. Right there. Ayan na si ate, oh. You wait for her.
He's kind of stuck. Thank you.
Did you get it na? Wala na. I keep on ano na. Pwede naman. Ulam ng aso.
The candy cane. I want to get the candy cane, Mommy.
But candy cane. I thought we're getting the
That
watermelon.
way! Look! I see the candy cane!
That's on top of ayoko na. Baka magbibihis. Little by little. Little by little. Noah, where are you na?
Ate ulog.
Nahulog si ate. I'm already there na, Noah.
Ate's coming too.
Halika na. Come on. Come on.
You're gonna push the Ate off.
Oh, go on top na. Si Bella. Go on top na.
Yes!
Yay!
I'm the best at this!
Ayoko na. Okay na, you got the watermelon na.
And I need to get the candy cane too.
I cannot go any further. I'm late for work na.